Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, June 15th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. This Dow is just absolutely crazy. Um, the Dow gapped down uh, today, and then, like the first 2 hours, it got way down here. Looked like it was going to the center of the earth or something. Of course, it got us long TVIX, which that proved not to be so good. And then it started coming back. And then the last 2 hours of the day, it had a pretty good rally here. Officially, it ended up down 95. Now, in spite of this highly erratic movement in the overall market, we're doing remarkably well. We only closed out 4 positions today, but we closed those out with positive $8,500 in profits. That's pretty darn good. Most of that was in one trade, and I will show you that in a second. We got into 7 new positions, and 4 of those, excuse me, 4 of those were positive, 3 were negative, and we are carrying positive $3,600 over the weekend going into next Monday. Uh, Good day. I mean, close out 8,500 positive, carry positive 3,600. That's definitely a good day. Let me show you a little of what went into that. This first one, um, this first one is Insys Therapeutics Incorporated. I call it INSI. Uh, Yesterday we bought this on a gap open. It kept going, and then this is what was beautiful. It gapped up again this morning very nicely for our exit, and we took $7,200 out of that in profit, and we almost got the top of the market, and then right after we sold, it sells off. So this is just beautiful. I love this. I call it selling the top, which is exactly what we did, at least in the short term for today. So this was just a beautiful trade worth over $7,000 in INSI. That was fantastic. And then, as far as what we got into today that made us profitable, this first one is VSTM, which is Veristem Incorporated. That's, of course, is a biotech stock. Huge gap here. We buy those gaps. That's a little scary to buy it up in the sky like that, but it held up and moved a little bit higher, so we're actually holding $1,800 in positive equity in Veristem. And then finally, this was the other good one we got into today. No, excuse me, we didn't get into this day. We actually got it into it yesterday. This is GERN, GERN, Garan Corporation. It closed against us yesterday, but then it did this big move right at the beginning of the day, and that keeps us into the trade for a third day. So we're holding Garan Corporation is an open trade over the weekend going into Monday, and we have $4,000 positive in open trade equity in Garan Corporation. So very good overall day. Very happy with this. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday.